We are going to see about the experiment 5, which is RNN. The experiment 5 to implement the recurrent neural network, which is called as RNN, for predicting the future values in a time series data. We can able to predict the stock prices using the RNN or powerful neural network for handling the sequential data, which are the example of the time series data, which are like the graph material. Now we are going to see about the programs in it. At firstly, as usual, we have to import the NumPy as NP and import the pandas as PD, which are the matplot library and the pyplot library. We can able to plot on it. So these are the we have to import from the TensorFlow and so on it. So nextly we have to see about the data is equal to NP dot syn and the NP licenses. Data is equal to data reshape and the scalar min max scalar and diff credit the written at last. We have to keep the for eigen range length is equal to data and sequential length. X dot append the data and length, y dot append. Nextly we have to split the data into two types, like x train and y test is equal to x and y train is equal to y test. And we have to build the RNN model, which are the model sequential and the simple RNN, which is 50 activation and activation names like ReLU, and simple RNN 50 is equal to activation like ReLU. So these are the epochs and which are the output of it we are going to see in it. So these are several inputs. So these are the several inputs of the programs of the experiment 5. So these are the model ReNU and the activation ReLU, which are so important to us. At last we are going to x train and y test, which are 800 and 800, like y, and at last we are going to compile the model, which are the learning, which are very helpful to see the programs in it. So these are all about the experiment 5, which is the RNN. So thank you for it.